Hey guys, we just sold the Nifty at the market. This is the entry and the stop, and we might take two targets on this. So I'll be updating you on that, and I'll see you soon for that.
Alright guys, so as you can see we are moving in the direction. So let's see how this trade plays out before 3:30 and I'll be updating you.
Hey guys, so this is the final update on the trade. As you can see, the target is hit, and I'm booking almost a 90% of profit here. I'm just taking only 10% of the profit with the second target, and that's the second target. So if that is hit, I'll be updating you, and that's up to you guys if you want to take two targets or if you want to book your entire profit over there. That's totally up to you. I am just showing you what I'm doing it here, and I'll see you soon with another update. Thank you. All right, guys. So final update. अब ज़्यादा लालच मत करना. Tell me how many people are in this trade. Cool then. So we are booking full of the quantities. I'm out of the trade now, booking the entire quantity in the trade, and yes, it's kind of easy trade, but a little bit hectic pain over there. But that's actually part of the market. So generally, we actually shoot for these kind of things majority of the time. So I hope you guys made some money, and I'll see you guys with some good trade again, and I'll be updating you once I see something in it. Thank you. Bye bye.